They say double displacement reaction. This is a reaction in which parts of the ionic compounds are exchanged, making a new one, making a new compound. In essence, they say the ionic compounds, okay? Now, this particular compound have charges, all right? They have charges. In essence, the positive will react to the negative, and the negative will react to the positive in this compound. Now, they gave us hydrochloric acid, or hydrochloride, okay, and sodium hydroxide. Now, if you check, the hydrogen is A, the chlorine is B, sodium is C, and hydroxide is D. This hydrogen has a positive sign, the chlorine has a negative, sodium has positive, and hydroxide has a negative. Now, we know that these particular signs that have been up there is the ions, okay? They are the charges. Do you understand what I'm saying? They are the charges. In that context, these charges must have to be displaced in giving us new ones. Now, the hydrogen now is A, the chlorine is B, sodium is C, and hydroxide is D. Now, if you check, these two things came together, okay, ionically. The hydrogen reacted with chlorine, the sodium reacted with hydroxide. Now, looking at this very well, okay, you see that the positive must have to react to the negative, and the negative will react to the positive in making a double displacement reaction. Because they say the ionic compounds are exchanged. In essence, the charges are exchanged. So it will be A, it will be AD. Now the A will react with D, and the B will react with C. In essence, it will be AD, it will be BC, okay? It will be BC plus AD. That will be our answer. It will be BC plus AD. Now, if you check the B has a negative sign, and the C has a positive sign. So in essence, both of them will work ionically. Remember, like charges is not electrical. Opposite charges is electrical. So the the B there is chlorine. Now the chlorine reacting with sodium will give us sodium chloride. While the hydrogen reacts with hydroxide will give us HOH. Okay? And HOH, bringing out HOH, is H subscript 2O. The hydrogen is 2 and the oxygen is 1. Now, this is how we got this particular double displacement reaction. Take note, the thing is BC plus AD. That is the rule. Okay? BC plus AD is the rule. The ionic compounds are to be exchanged. The positive hydrogen was exchanged to meet the negative hydroxide, while the chlorine, the negative chlorine was exchanged to meet the sodium. So applicable to the next one. If you check there, it's the same thing. The hydrogen there reacted with the oxygen that is negative, and the sulfide reacted with the potassium that is